Hi, I'm Bradley from Bayti Real Estate, and this is the walkthrough tour for this beautiful one-in-a-kind, fully upgraded two-bedroom plus Maids apartment in Azizi Daisy, Al Furjan. As you can see, you have a very spacious open-plan living and dining area. From here, you have access to a spacious and usable balcony overlooking the cottage community. Heading inside, on the left hand side, you'll have a very beautiful and fully renovated bathroom. This will be the guest bathroom, and on the right hand side you also have a laundry. Further down on the right you'll have a kitchen and also your maid room with its own ensuite bathroom. Heading towards the kitchen, you will see a very spacious, fully closed and fully upgraded kitchen that also has fantastic light. Having a look at the maid room, decent sized maid room with your bathroom and a shower. Then also heading straight down, you'll have an ensuite bedroom, again with a beautifully finished bathroom and a bath. The bedrooms on this property, it's spacious, it's a very decent sized bedroom, overlooking cottage on both bedrooms, and all of them has built-in wardrobes. Next bedroom, you will see again a fantastically renovated bathroom with a shower this time. And again, a very spacious bedroom with built-in wardrobe and also access to its own balcony. Cottage view. So the property is very well located as well, very close to all amenities, the Al Furjan Pavilion and also the metro station. The property also has a built-up area of over 1,570 square feet. If you are looking to purchase a property or want to view, please contact the details below.